Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate tasks between Outlook and other apps, saving you time on repetitive workflows. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want this integration to live. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, click the Zap button to start creating your new automation. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll connect Outlook to your other apps. Next, click the Trigger button. The trigger is essentially the event that kicks off your automation. In the search bar that appears, type in Microsoft Outlook and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to watch for specific events happening in your Outlook account. Now you'll need to choose a trigger event. For this example, select New Email. This means every time a new email arrives in Outlook, your automation will start running. Once you've made your selection, click Sign In or connect a Microsoft Outlook account, then click Continue. This step is necessary so Zapier can access your Outlook data. A Microsoft login pop will appear asking you to grant permissions. Click Yes, give Zapier access, or Accept to allow the connection. This authorization is secure and lets Zapier read your emails or calendar events depending on what you've set up. After granting access, you'll be prompted to select a specific folder or calendar. For instance, if you're working with emails, choose Inbox from the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger to verify that Zapier can successfully pull sample data from your Outlook account. If everything works correctly and you see sample data appear, click Continue. This confirmation step ensures your integration is properly connected before moving on. Next, click the Action button. This is where you define what happens after the trigger fires. In the search bar, type in Gmail and select it. This will be the app that responds to your Outlook trigger. Choose an action event such as Send Email. This means whenever a new email arrives in Outlook, Zapier will automatically send an email through Gmail. After selecting the action, connect your Gmail account and click Continue. You'll need to authorize Zapier to access Gmail, similar to what you did with Outlook. Once your Gmail account is connected, click Test Action to verify it works with sample data. This test sends a sample email to confirm everything is functioning properly. If the test is successful, you're almost done. Finally, give your Zap a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Then click Publish to turn it on. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Outlook with Zapier and set up an automated workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.